Example 2, factor 2x squared minus 7x minus 15. So once again, I see a lead coefficient that is not 1. And again, that's going to be your key to know that it's a new type of problem. It's not the old ones. So I'm going to do factors of 2x squared times negative 15 is negative 30x squared. The sum of those factors should be negative 7x. Make sure you're concerning yourself with signs when you're doing this. We're looking for two numbers to multiply to make negative 30, add to make negative 7. What would those two numbers be? 10 and 3, right? So negative 10x and positive 3x. Negative 10 times positive 3 makes negative 30. Negative 10 plus positive 3 makes negative 7. So, and again, x squared is just going to break down x and x every single time. All right, so this is the pair of numbers that I'm going to change the middle term into. And again, I got one negative, one positive, so I'm going to put them in that order. 2x squared, I'm going to put minus 10x in the second position, plus 3x in the third position, minus 15. If this is a positive and this is a negative, you're going to get two negatives here. There's no way to avoid the whole third position positive deal. So you'll have to deal with it that way. So that's why I want to make sure I mention it. But again, anytime you get at least one positive, you can always make sure the third position object is positive. I would recommend doing that. It makes life easier. So group. In the first group, common factor. Obviously there's an x common. 2 and 10 both divide by 2, so 2x is a common factor. I extract 2x by division. 2x squared divided by 2x is 1x. 10x divided by 2x is 5, and it's negative, so minus 5. Second group, there's a plus sign here. Make sure pluses and minuses just transfer down, and then you factor out the number. 3 and 15 both divide by 3. X minus 5 is left over, and you can see x minus 5 matches on both pairs. So x minus 5 is the common factor, binomial factor, and 2x plus 3 is the